Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right at the end of week 5. A lot of cool stuff going on. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, let's get started. Let's talk about some editing techniques and how we can really make them awesome and even better. And just give you a heads up. You have your projects due on Sunday along with live lecture assignment. And then also you have your discussion posts as well that are due tonight. So do keep that in mind. All right, so let's talk about editing techniques. Now, editing with Premiere, it's really important to take a longer time-based piece. Edit it down best to segments. You want to showcase your best work to a client or potential employer. In some cases, your work can be represented in 2 different ways: collage cuts and long-lasting clips. If you use collage cuts, they're great to use with creating a demo reel that is quick and dynamic and is set to fast-paced or active music. Collage cutting is an editing technique that where clips can normally be 5 seconds. This is great for like imagery, illustrations, still pieces, and this is what's going to be work great. Not only that, you can show a lot of clips in a quick fashion in a lot of different areas. You can also have some abilities for the client or company reviewing the work to be reminded of each piece as they're being shown in different segments of around the world. However, this can get repetitive, and also with the randomness of the collages could be hard to follow within the video. So it does have some negative points using collage cuts and editing rather than long-lasting clips. Now, if you use long-lasting clips, these are nice when the artist wants to showcase the mood of a piece, if they want to showcase like a whole model or an animation or rigging or setup and environment design. This is great to do this. Or if you have a lot more illustration and environmental pieces that you really want to show from level to level and do a true breakdown, that's great too. It's important to showcase an animated lip sync as an example, the evolutions of a character's emotions or how specific animation or video was cut together. This works great with long-lasting clips. Longer cuts are also great to showcase detailed illustration, graphic design, and other non-motion related pieces. That way the viewer can see everything on how it was made and the different elements to go about that. Now, you can also combine both techniques and really blend them properly depending on how you want to use it. There's varied profiles with a lot of different clips and styles. It's hard to vary for one editing style to help finish the work. Combining these methods can help solve this dilemma. An animator may want to showcase some of their illustrations work and lip sync capabilities on a longer clip, but also may want to highlight other options such as quickly cut examples of their animation or motion graphics. Totally use the collage cut style that could work with that. Now, what if a graphic designer wants to have quick cuts of their work in the beginning and then elongating the clips in the end to showcase the more completed work? You can do that too. Editing, there's no real wrong answer. You just need to use it and feel what feels right with everything. Overall, the important goal is to use any of these techniques and promote your work, and that's what's really going to help you out over time. So, other than that, that's all I got. Keep in mind, second discussion post due tonight, reply post. Then you also have your live lecture and your assignments due tomorrow. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, have a great weekend. Hope to see everybody next week for lecture, and take it easy. All right, bye everybody. See ya.